If you've seen the ENGWE Eagle online, you probably had the same reaction I did. 45 miles per hour, 3,200 watts, and 220 Nm of torque. Those numbers sound almost too good for a bike in this price range. So, is the ENGWE Eagle actually legit? Or is this just another overhyped electric dirt bike? Let's take a quick first look. The Eagle is built more like a mini electric motorcycle than a normal e-bike. It has a 3,200 watt peak mid-drive motor. ENGWE claims a top speed of 45 miles per hour. That is seriously quick. You also get a 52-volt, 27Ah battery. ENGWE claims up to 55 miles of range in throttle mode. But remember, that is under ideal conditions. Real-world range will depend heavily on your speed, terrain, and riding style. Then there's the suspension. The Eagle comes with full suspension. That is exactly what you want for dirt trails, bumps, and rough ground. You also get 200mm hydraulic disc brakes. That's important when you're riding something this powerful. And honestly, the compact size is interesting. The bike weighs about 48 kilograms. It has a 14-inch front tyre and a 12-inch rear tyre. ENGWE recommends it for riders around 4.2 to 5.9 feet tall. But there is one thing I would watch closely. That 45 mile per hour speed is serious. This is not something I'd treat like a casual bicycle. So, is it a scam? From the specifications and the official product listing, no. The ENGWE Eagle appears to be a real product with some very serious numbers. But whether it is worth your money is a different question. For now, my first impression is simple.